Do you want to see how I made over $12 to take all this stuff home? If so, keep watching this video. Hi everyone, and welcome to High Valley Couponer. So today I am here with an amazing money-making haul from 3 days, but you have time to do this same scenario because there's 3 days left of Weekend Warrior. So if you get on it, you can make this happen too. So it's amazing right now. Amazing. So this whole area is Kroger. Like Kroger's on it this week. This mega is awesome. Here is Staples. And this is all Walmart. Walmart is not as good as Kroger, but there's more money makers at Walmart. So Walmart's good in my opinion. So yeah, I had 3 different, is it 3? 4 different bonuses I was working towards. The first one is $5 for a bonus called Rawhide Bone. How you get this bonus is you go to the Macy's.com section under clothing. It pops up a hidden bonus for $5 back on 15 grocery rebates. Don't ask me why it's under Macy's, but that's where it's at. So go to Macy's.com and get that through Ibotta app. There also is $5 something, I don't know, slide in the summer. $5 if I did 12 grocery rebates as well as 1 online rebate. I'm going to get 4x6 photo prints at Walmart. You can get something cheap on eBay, whatever you want to do that. Just 1 offer online. I had $3 if I did 8 rebates for Weekend Warrior, as well as I also had $2 if I did, I think I needed like 10 more rebates for level 2, or level 3, I'm sorry. So I did that. I was very successful in that today. It's on fire. It is. So let's just dive right in. We'll talk Staples first. This is not rebate related. This is just an amazing deal. So Staples. We were in there the other day and I found, I got a 10 off 20 coupon. I went in there and just bought stuff I needed anyways. I got a 10 off 20. Well, my mom was right behind me doing her transaction. Her stuff came to around $11. So since I added these cleaners in for $9, they are on a sale for 99 cents each, which is a really good price. But she was getting the $11 worth of stuff anyway. So it actually paid us a little bit to go ahead and get these items as well as the filler paper for 50 cents. And to use that 10 off 20, it actually made her stuff cheaper that she was already buying to grab these things. So this is free in my mind. It actually was a tiny little money maker because it actually helped pay for the stuff we were getting anyway. So really nice. Okay, here's Walmart. The Kotex deal again. Sorry if you hear that noise. My cat is in the room. I don't know why she came in here, but she did. $2.86, $2 coupon, and there is a Ibotta, $2 coupon that beeped. Shopkick has $1.60 back, so ends up making this a really great deal. Okay, and the next care is awesome as well. $2.23. I had a 55-cent coupon. Hold on, I think the cat wants out. 55-cent coupon. No, she doesn't. Okay. 55-cent coupon and a 50-cent Ibotta. It's a really good deal. The Dr. Scholl's Callus Remover. This is a deal from Sandra, which is an awesome deal right here. They are $4.47, $2 coupon from Sunday's paper. There also is a $2 Ibotta, so 47 cents. And these are very useful products to have in your stockpile. Multiple people I know like those, so I'll get use out of them. Colgate is $4.46. We have a $2 coupon from the Sunday's paper. Ibotta has $2 back, so 47 cents for that. That's awesome. Ajax is $1.64. I had a coupon for 50 cents off, and Ibotta has a 50-cent rebate, so 64 cents. Other people tell me I go too fast. What I'd encourage you to do, if I'm going too fast, there's 2 things you can do. 1, listen to a deal and then pause the video and write it down or rewatch it. Or you're actually has a setting on YouTube that can slow it down if you'd like to hear it like slower. So you can definitely do that. All right, so the next deal here is the Color Sense trash bags. $3.98. $1 I bought it. There's also a $1.50 bonus if I did it twice. This is my second time, so it was a good deal. Thank you to Midnight Saver for this deal on the Nature's Recipe Prime Blends. This is $1.12. Shopkick has 600 kicks back. So it ends up making, that is like the equivalent of $2.40. So it ends up making this crazy moneymaker right there, like a $1.30 moneymaker. That's awesome. That was an awesome deal. Okay, the Coffee Mate Natural Bliss, $2.98. Swagbucks has $18 back when you buy 4. If you've never used Swagbucks, it is a great app. My info is down in the description box. So buy 4 of them, you pay $11.92, you get back $18, you're making $6 right there. Okay, the Twinkies, this wasn't the best deal, but I was making so much money, I got the Twinkies. They're $2.97, or $2.98, I'm sorry, $2.98. Ibotta has $1 back, so $1.98, that is pretty good for Twinkies. Haven't had a Twinkie in a while, so why not? Dial soap is 98 cents, and Ibotta has 75 cents if you buy 2 of them, so that's actually pretty good for the Dial in my book, and I let the bonus pay for it. Now, Amy Stotts told me about this deal on the L'Oreal little lippy things. They are currently... At her store, they were $1, but here they're still $4 on a clearance price. I had $2 printable from their website, and Ibotta had $2 back. So just free. I'll take it for free. I won't use it. I don't know anyone who will, but we'll donate it but for free. And it worked in the bonus. Why not? And then the swab. I was just getting this because I did not do that. Oh, wait. Yeah, I did. I did that on purpose. Okay. Never mind. This is $2.97. I had a $1 coupon. Shopkick has $1.60 back. It's like 30 cents or something. Not too shabby. I don't know why I got that, but I did. I wanted the kids, but it was out of stock. Okay, let's talk Kroger, because Kroger is where it's at this week. This was all from Wednesday. Okay, so this is all Wednesday stuff. The Kellogg's Fruit Snacks are 99 cents. I had 25 cents from Ibotta and 25 cents from Kroger Cashback, so 49 cents. Pantene masks. These are 99 cents. I had a 5 off 3 coupon, so 203 and overage scans just fine. The only time overage will ever work is if it is a mega event. That's the only time it'll ever work. So that's cool. Love that. The no-cow bars are $2. Ibotta has $2 back, so free. The trolley. This is a headache. $1.50. 50 cent Ibotta. I had a $1 off coupon, but they did some weird stuff. The first one scanned. I originally had 3 of these, okay? And 2 Bright Saves told me why the coupon did this, but it took the first one, and the other one's beeped. Here's the reason. 2 Bright Saves said the coupon is actually coded for $1 off too, and it does make sense because my grandma did this yesterday with just 1 bag and it beeped. So he scanned my first one, it worked, and then he voided off the other 2. I think what it did was it kicked off my manufacturer coupon. I'm pretty positive it kicked off my manufacturer coupon because I just think it did, because it didn't see that there was 2 anymore. I'm pretty sure that's what happened, but I could be wrong, so I don't know, but it worked out. And then I grabbed the Nature's Intent Organic Apple Cider Vinegar. I really like this deal because we actually use this stuff a lot, so I'm happy to get it. $4.99, $2 Ibotta, and $2 Shopkick, 99 cents. That's a phenomenal deal, and it actually gets better today when I went back and did it. And then finally, the Honey Nut Frosted Flakes. I have all these cereal deals, except for this one, down in my Kroger Deals video. You should all check that out if you haven't. This is $1.49. I had a $1 off 3 coupon from 618 Retail Me Nots. And Ibotta has $1 back on each. So literally that makes those epic. It makes those like 16 cents each. Amazing. So I went to Kroger yesterday and just got a couple little deals because this is really good on the cereal. I didn't realize there was a $1 bonus if I did 3 cereals. So I had this one. I only needed 2, but I was trying to get to the bonus, so I got 3 boxes. So, to use my $1 off 3 coupon. So I got 1 Frosted Flakes for $1.49. I had a 45 cent Ibotta for that. The mini wheats, I had a 50 cent Ibotta, and then these I had a 45 cent Ibotta. It ended up being like 47 cents for all 3 of them after my coupon, after my bonus, and after the rebates, getting the $1 back on 3. So, if that doesn't make sense, you get an extra $1 bonus if you buy any 3 Kellogg cereals. Okay, so that's really something good. And I also yesterday grabbed the Cascadian Farm Sweet and Salty Mixed Nut Bars. They are 64 cents on the mega sale as a closeout price. I had a $1 off 2 digital, so I paid like 28 cents for 2, and savings started giving me $1 back for buying 2. So, great moneymaker there. Sorry if you saw the camera shake. I was looking to see like where the cat was. Now, playing with the bag. Okay. The Bakery on Main. This was all today, so this stuff is from today. This is $5.29. I had another free product coupon that I got from emailing them. They sent me like 8 free products, so loving that deal. The Mikey's Tortillas, $4.99, and we have a $2 Ibotta and a $2 Kroger cash back. Someone told me this deal. I am so sorry if I forgot your name. If you did the deal, told me about it, comment it down below and just say, hey, I'm the one who told you, and I'll pin the comment and give you credit. So 99 cents is great. Think bars are $1. Free Friday coupon made them free. 4 yes, I did use the coupon. I have 4 accounts. Now, they're not all mine. One of them's mine, one is my grandma's, one's my great uncle's, one's like my parents' account. And they let me use their digitals. So, yeah, I mean, they use the products, so I use their coupons. If you think that's wrong, I'm sorry. Chobani Flip, I had a free coupon they sent me in the mail for that. And then the Odo's, same thing, $3.99 free products coupon. These are good. These are really good. And the Nature's Intent got even sweeter today. It's $4.99, $2 Ibotta, 50-cent bonus for doing it twice, and Shopkick has $2 back. So today it was only 49 cents. And then I did the cereal deal again. Okay, so I grabbed one of the peanut butter pops. I didn't see this the other day. It's $1.49. Ibotta has $1 back on this one. That's awesome. And I had the $1 off free coupon. Same with the Honey Nut Frosted Flakes and the Apple Jacks. $1.49, and it was 45-cent Ibotta. So this is a little bit more today, but it still worked out really good. I'm happy with it. Let's do the final math breakdown. If you're confused about anything, just tell me. I'll type it in more clarification. I know this is fast, but try to maybe go and rewatch the parts you want to watch or do the slow down feature. People tell me to talk slower. These videos already get so long, I don't think I can possibly make them any longer. Because who wants to sit and watch a 30-minute haul? So I'm sorry if I go too fast. And I'll always, if you just comment, say, hey, what's the breakdown on this? I'll always tell you if you're confused. So staples cost a whopping 9 cents with tax. I guess I was wrong about it going towards my items, but I'm happy with 9 cents for all that stuff. Kroger on Wednesday was 13 cents. Kroger on Thursday was 15 cents. Kroger today was $3.28. Walmart for the creamer was a $6.08 Moneymaker, and then the other stuff at Walmart was $5.01. So it came to a cost of $2.57. I got $5 for the rawhide bone, $2 for level 3. I will get $5 for summer savings after I do the online rebate. I'm not counting the pictures in because I actually was going to get pictures, a couple made off anyway. So that's just a nice bonus, getting the $5. And $3 for Weekend Warrior, $12.43 Moneymaker. Yep, that more than covers the cost of this month with the paper towels I've been getting. $12.43 Moneymaker, y'all. That is insanity right there. So insane. I hope y'all liked that intro today that I put in. My cousin actually offered to make that, so thank you to him. He's been helping me out with some of the thumbnails and stuff that you're going to see coming up. So yeah, but that intro is compliments of him. I'm trying to up my YouTube game here. I feel like I'm kind of slacking a little bit on marketing and all that good stuff and updates and all that. So $12.43 Moneymaker. And let me tell you something else today that I tried, and I'm not so sure what I think, but I'm going to try this. For the last few weeks, I have been really struggling to get coupons clipped. You want out, Gracie? Okay, so here we have this file box. I know, the whole insert method, I've always been against it because it just hasn't worked for me. But for the last few weeks, I've been so busy, I've been not able to cut my coupons. I can't do it. I have not been able to do it. So I'm trying the whole insert thing out, and I'm not sure what I think about it. I went in the store today, and I had one little issue because I didn't have my Febreze coupon with me, so I couldn't do that deal. I think I just got to get, if it's a coupon I think I want, I think I will cut it out. But let me show you how I did organize in the store, and I love this. This is my ARC planner. If any of you are planner people, you know how great the disc bound thing is. Here, what I did today is I made a coupon section, and purple wasn't my color of choice, by the way. That's just what came in the pack, so I'm using it. So here, this is little 4x6 photo holder things. I cut them down to size, and I snapped them in with my punch, my ARC punch, and I'm going to keep my coupons for the trip. So Walmart goes here, Kroger goes here, and let me tell you, this was nice. I've been getting comments lately about my binder, and people have just, I don't know, in the store, and I just am tired of it. It is so heavy, and it takes so much time. So I'm going to try this out. But here's my cool little invention I made that I'm really, really loving. So I got a piece of filler paper, and I laminated it. I cut it down to size and laminated it so that I could create a dry erase board list. So this is Walmart, and this is Kroger. And let me tell y'all, this came in handy today. This thing was awesome in the store. I really, 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 really love that. That was good. So this right here, I just write on it and then with dry erase, and then I'll erase it when I'm done. And yeah, so reusable list. Got coupons, got a reusable list here. I just got to figure out what I do with like loose coupons and things like that, but I'm going to figure it out. So if you have any suggestions, if you do the whole insert method, what do you do with your loose coupons? Because I'm going to try this. With school coming up and everything, I just feel like I need a change. and that binder is so hard. But there are good benefits to it as well, so I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so that's all that I have for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Go get yourself some deals, and thank y'all so much for watching.